So we've completed our work here for the day. We've laid our block there, and it's all tooled off and everything, and started doing some parging around the air conditioner just to kind of build that up, and did the parging at the very bottom, which was done by routing out the whole back that was all deteriorated and loose. And we ended up going and doing a skim coat on the back up, and then doing a build-up coat on the front that was in line with the metal flash in there. So in the next couple of days this will have dried up. It'll be to seal it across the whole base there to kind of create a watershed of some sort there too. So and also rebuild, or try to build up that back corner that you can see is wet still on the left there. That's a big problem area for water getting into the wall that we're trying to repair directly underneath us here. So we were having a lot of problems with it, so we've created that tapered edge against the block that's embedded into the mortar joint as well. So and it's been buttered onto the concrete that was cleaned before feathering it on, and same with the block. So yeah, hopefully that'll be something good for the winter, and something we can be doing on all the other balconies, because we have to address these other ones too next year. So have at least some ideas. And also the repointing that we did on this wall, majority of the wall was repointed, and probably could have been the entire wall, but we did the worst ones there, just so we did it last Saturday. So anyways, yeah, and that's our work for today.